Quickly and easily make perfectly poached eggs. Designed to mimic traditional water bath poaching method. Shape keeps egg contained for perfect poaching with a funnel shape that guides egg into water to prevent yolk from breaking. Hole pattern optimizes water flow around entire egg for even cooking, and convenient marking shows how much water to add to pot. High heat resistant silicone is easy to clean and collapses for compact storage. Silicone tab for safe removal from hot water, BPA free and dishwasher safe. Poached eggs, delicious to eat but intimidating to cook. Until now, we created our silicone egg poacher to help you quickly and easily create perfectly poached eggs worthy of sharing in real life and on social media. We looked at the traditional and painstaking water bath poaching method for inspiration, but designed the poacher for modern cooks with a little more on their plate. The high heat resistant silicone body cradles the eggs while the funnel shape guides them into the water to prevent the yolk from breaking. A carefully designed hole pattern optimizes water flow around eggs for even cooking. When they're ready, use the handy tab to safely remove the poacher from the water. With helpful fill lines show just how much water to use, and collapsible, compact storage, you're sure to make eggs that are as pretty as a picture. For best result, please see images directions. Top reviews from the United States. These things are easy and predicable every time. I don't understand how anyone can be having any trouble with these at all. Every attempt was perfect. I made 2 eggs, I made 3 eggs, using 2 cups, and with and without both oiling the pan and using vinegar. Flawless. I have an old GELP gas stove and a 6-quart stainless pan filled to about 3 quarts, slightly above the hole in the egg cup as directed. The worst thing is heating the water, which takes about 10 to 12 minutes to reach 200 to 205 degrees. I pan the bottom of the stainless pan, which is essential in this pan. Vinegar is not, but it is better to use it for more congealed white and clearer water. 3 minutes 30 seconds at 200 to 210 degrees to perfection is recommended in the instructions for runny yolks. At 3 minutes I remove the cups, and using a flexible metal spatula, in my case, I loosen the egg from the pan bottom. It has slightly adhered, making sure to skim the pan bottom. Let them time out at 3:30 and take them out. At this point, with the temp having been turned down to maintain the temp range previously, one can reinsert the cups and pour fresh eggs and restart the timer. I break my eggs into small Pyrex cups ahead of time. One can crank out eggs every 4 minutes or so beyond that. Great product with only one exception. If they were slightly smaller at the perforated base, one could get them into a lot more pans than the one I use. You really need a pan pushing 8 flat inches across the bottom to use more than one. I am debating buying a 3 quarts wide saucepan to heat water faster. There was no need to make the perforated base quite this wide, otherwise great product. I just rinse them and throw them in the dish drainer.